Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one of these. Disinfection fog machine. Very powerful. You can hear it in the background. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It does come with 2 bottles of these. I'll show you how to use it. I kind of did it wrong, but I don't think it really matters. But if you want to be on the safe side, you just use a bottle. You could just spin it off and just stick the tube in here. So, but they gave you 2 bottles, so that's really cool. And here it is. This is coming from Authentic Original right here on Amazon. See what I mean? That's where the disinfectant water is. But like I said, they recommend using the bottle, and all you gotta do is take this little tube. Could just pull it out. Just pull it out like that, and then stick it in the. Whoops! Stick it in the bottle. I kind of screwed up. This is my first time using one of these machines, but it does work great. I can notice the difference already. I have it on for about over 5 minutes now. So here's the power button switch right here, on and off, and this is a timer. You're gonna want it time it. They got instructions right here. Well, you can read it once you get it, but you just gotta reset this to all the way to the right, and then it'll suck it up through the tube. And then the buttons right here on top. Kind of looks like a projector. And let's see if I can get smoke going on. Get some fogness coming. Let's see. Stick it in there more. I had it going. Okay, so whoa, there we go. Ah. Yeah, so you want to use a switch. Holy moly, it is getting foggy in here. Woo-wee. Look at that. That is pretty powerful, guys. There we go. Look at that. That's just disinfecting the whole room. Alright, I'm going to get out of here because shouldn't be in the area where you're disinfecting like this. So, really cool. Look at how much fog. Holy moly. That is crazy, yo. Alright, guys. Be safe. Have a good weekend. See you guys soon.